99% of people get this wrong. Panic attack versus heart attack. Panic attack. Sudden fear, chest tightness, fast heartbeat, but eases in 10 to 20 minutes. Heart attack. Crushing chest pain spreads to arm or jaw, sweating, and doesn't go away. Panic attack. Pain is sharp, comes and goes. Heart attack. Pain is heavy, pressing, like an elephant sitting on your chest. Allergy versus cold. Allergy, caused by triggers, dust, pollen, pets. No fever, but itchy eyes and constant sneezing. Can last for weeks if trigger stays around. Cold, caused by a virus. Comes with sore throat, body ache, and sometimes fever. Lasts about 7 to 10 days. Cold mucus is thick and yellowish. Allergy mucus is clear and watery. Now you know the difference. Like and subscribe for more.